up the waves themselves. So we are going to go through a trough and a wave that will completely, entirely consume this boat. And we're going to drop into the trough, and you're going to go, how in the heck are we going to get out of here? And then we crawl up out of there. So my job, once I enter, is to just steer the boat and keep it straight. If I keep it straight, we have a pretty good chance. If I'm at all cockeyed, you better high side. Otherwise, this boat is going to go over. I know I set that up at granite too, didn't I?
That's hydraulic, huh? And what's the name of it again? I forgot already.
Hermit.
Hermit, of course, the big one.
Boucher was the hermit of the river, Louis Boucher.
There, it's over here. You're good.
We're done.